We are getting ready. We're getting ready to go to Puerto Rico. The girls ready for a trip. We're at the airport right now. Where's the clapping?
Away. So the captain signed off the seatbelt sign in the military flight.
All right, this is the first hotel that we have arrived in, a San Juan hotel, but we settled in and now we are getting ready to go eat lunch at a restaurant, our favorite restaurant. And then after that, we're gonna go drive to El Yunque Rainforest to ride ATVs and R2D2, what is it called? The little thing, quads or whatever. So we're gonna go do that now. Great, we're about to go on the ATV soon. We're here at our next stop. We're on the little river. We have a water coaster, you have feet in it. And we just took a little stop.
Very good.
To breakfast and then we're going to El Moro to fly kites, and that's what we're doing so far, and then we'll update as we go along.
We'll update you guys.
We'll update ourselves.
You guys. Viewers at home.
We are in Old San Juan. We're walking over to El Morro, and I'm already out of breath walking up the little hill.
You want to take a picture or something?
You guys want a picture?
I don't know, so them more.
Our last day at the San Juan Hotel. We are headed over to Isla Verde. we going, tour guide? Talk to the camera. Tell us our plans.
Going to Preschooler Beach, which I grew up on, went there my whole life.
Yep.
My grandparents, so it's going to be a nostalgic experience for me. I'm going to get to take my 2 weird kids over there. And my weird wife.
You're a much better narrator than I am.
And then that is my daughter's breakfast. Some crazy donut.
Okay.
Is it good, babe?
Oh, it's not.
She's enjoying it.
A s'mores donut.
We're waiting on
Does
my
Aaron
2
want a bite?
teenagers. I have 2 teenagers.
Yeah,
2 teenage
green.
daughters, basically.
yeah.
And then a teenage son, which is new. He's a newcomer to
He's
the
a new
team.
guy.
He's a noob teen.
He's a noob.
That's what we call us cool parents call a noob right there. Nub skin.
He's
That's
mid.
the skin he's wearing.
He's mid.
He's so mid. He's not Riz though. He's
We
not
have to
Riz. He's
skibbity
not
Riz.
Sigma. He's not Sigma.
He's not Sigma.
Far from it.
Yeah.
So, anyway, I'm Sigma. I'm running the game here.
We have the Ohio Skibbity Riz.
He's getting out the car. You can't take.
He left
Oh,
the
he's
car.
back. He realizes it's hot outside.
I have to step up my narrator game. I'm like, we're going to the pool. Yep. Okay. Bye.
All right. See you there. See you there.
Waiting for the girls to come. Right? Handsome?
Waiting for the girls. Waiting for the girls. There, mommy.
We just did the zip line. Well, we didn't just do it, but we did the 3rd longest zip line in the world. Kaylee, wasn't it awesome?
Yeah. It was the 2nd. Incredible.
3rd. Natalie, did you have fun? Yeah? It was awesome. Now we're headed to do some activities with Arlen and Aaron.